right, so NASDAQ gapping up like 1%. I'll take it. In a few minutes to the market open. I'm looking around it for a piece of paper so I can write stuff down and never do anything about it. All right. Who's out there lurking this morning? Mohammed with his caps lock on, buying GME. Living dangerously. Mohammed likes to skydive. Holy crap job. What the flood? Wow. Why the is GME up overnight at 140? Jeez. This is why you don't short these stocks. For about I don't know, 12 seconds I thought about shorting this. For about 12 seconds. That was it. No more, no less. Probably less. Oh, exactly, dude. Would have killed him. Yeah, up. Jeez. All right, let's get back to more normal pastures. Tesla in a very super tight pattern here, up to 856. All right, so if you guys remember a while back, we did our model stock on Apple and Tesla. Yeah, maybe. I don't know. How do you say that pretty definitively, Muhammad? You see an article or something? So I did want to look at some Tesla stuff here because of how tight Tesla's been in the past couple of weeks. It's just been super, super tight. That's 2 weeks worth of action there. We had a 4-day week and then a 5-day week, I believe. It's all over the internet. I must not be on that part of the internet. Yeah, it could be. I have no idea why GameStop to begin with has risen that far. Maybe it is just all the Wall Street betters. That's crazy. Who's he? Oh, Citron guy. Got now I see it. Sorry. Yeah, I'm not. Yeah, I've been dizzy since I woke up about 10 minutes ago. It's slowly dissipating, but it's very weird. He's not bankrupt. These short sellers, they don't go all in on these positions. They can hold um, for a long time and not be bankrupt. It's just one day anyway, so they're smart. They would short with options, but they're not that smart. Probably they probably do have some option positions, but all right, here we go. Let's check out the list. We got Rewalk at the top of the list. Corsair, GDLC, Planetar, gapping up. Let's go. XPEV, GBTC, NIO, Apple with a big day. Yeah, baby. Let's do it. FUV up 2% after. Okay. XPEV, Huya, Fubo, Corsair. That is a big open. NASDAQ up 1%. That is a big open, ladies and gentlemen. That's pretty good. Let's check out that. SI, yeah. How's SI doing? I look at the volume on SI the past 2 days. I didn't buy any of this thing, but man, was I so close to buying something on SI yesterday. Kind of wish I did. I was up here towards the highs and I held off. Of course, it gapped up today, but all right, let's see if Tesla's going to get going there. Up in the top right of my screen is Tesla. Always there as it should be. All right, NAO, FUV, net up here, XPEV, GBTC. There's SI at 5. Morning, Rob. Corsair, 7% in a very nice horizontal basing structure. Really big volume day on Friday. Not sure if that was option. Shouldn't have been. May have been options Friday, was it? 2, 3. Yeah, I guess it was options on Friday, but should have been. Maybe it was quadruple witching. Maybe that's why all the volumes were super high. It's possible. AMD up 2%. Check out Microsoft. Up 1.5, back up towards the high of yesterday where we sold off for most part of the day, actually. Apple 3%. Why is E-Trade giving me crap? Oh, snap, motherfucker. Holy shit. Planetar going? More? There you go, 13. Yeah, baby. I did get some yesterday. I got it late, though. I was pissed. We saw this in the morning. Anybody else get this in the morning yesterday? I got it in the or I didn't get it. I got it a little bit late. I did okay, but I got like right about here. I came back from, as usual, came back from the power hour. I was like, damn it. I didn't buy it again. BB, what's BB? Wow, look at that. That's beautiful. How can we see this shit late? Look at that green volume. Oh, BlackBerry? Retail investor driven in the stock. Why is black? Why? I don't understand this. If this is all retailers, then we are fucked, guys. It's not good. Institutions run this market. When they're letting retailers take over, they're gonna fucking dump it on everybody. That is not good. EXPI. Let's check out that. That's up a little bit. That's good. What's up pretty good today? Microsoft and Apple, man. Good. All right, there's Apple up 3.5%, Microsoft 1.5%. Come on, Microsoft, get going, man. All right, Tesla looks like rolling around right there. How's that going between red and... How is that possible? That is flip-flopping right there like mad. See, it's just flipped right there. Didn't move here. Look here and look here. It's not... Oh, what the hell? See right there, bam, flips down. Or if this one's showing the same action on the daily. It's got to be. It's API driven, so looks like it. That is weird. So weird on Tesla that I would try to do that. Nasdaq 1.3 as the big caps going for. What's Amazon up to? Isn't that crazy, Rob? That is nuts. All right, Amazon looks really good here too, but Apple leading in all-time highs. That's beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Say Apple and Nasdaq are leading, guys. That is a good sign, even with all this BS Wall Street bet stuff going on. All right, Planetar, another 16% today. Let's rock it, baby. All right, must have Planetar in this account. There it is. All right. That's what I'm talking about. 168%. Microsoft is Micron still not doing it. Micron's still holding me down. Yeah, I got it in one account too. Just my cash account. I didn't have any cash left in my big account. Well, I guess I do have some, but it's a tenth of a position at this stage. Not even. Yeah, Tesla. Yeah, maybe. It may be Mohammed. I was thinking about a trade on Tesla, but I have no cash left. I mean, I guess I got a little bit, but not at 864. It's gonna be hard to get options going on that one. Yup, dude. Tesla. I started off with Tesla because my Apple model book stock shows this thing going up at least another 30%. So I think that puts us at like 1150 if we do actual math. 84 times 1.3. Yeah, right there, 1150 on the dot. So 1150 for Tesla, if you can get it, if you got some cash, I think it's gangbusters, man. Tesla ain't stopping. Just because you can't believe the gains doesn't mean it ain't happening. Unless you're looking at this chart and then it just looks like it's insane. All these daily charts, I don't know what that's about. You look at the 5 minute chart, so weird. Yeah, Tesla still has some good gains if you go even 50, even 53 days out. You're looking at nearly a 200% gain on Tesla, getting to 1150 by March. If you go out to April, you're looking at 130. What up, Rob? You dude, there's so many people in the markets right now. It's crazy. Hell yeah, LA Apple's killing it. Oh, 4% now. That's not Apple. Amazon up there doing good too. Microsoft not doing as good, but still up there in the upper echelon, doing good. Nasdaq 1.42, ladies and gentlemen. Planetar up 20% again. Jeez, look at that thing. Just gone. I wish I would have got that earlier and heavier yesterday, but I got what I got. How's that FUV doing? Not bad, 3%. Apple's killing it. NIO, AMD up 2%. Tesla doing really good. What's not doing good today? Let's go find out. Booking. Yeah, not doing very good. Royal Caribbean, UAL, all the Corona stocks still not doing good. Visa, this is not everywhere you want to be. Oddly enough, I guess that shows that consumers still dead generally. I don't know. Uber, LPLA, Starbucks, but man, the whole most everything, most all our stocks are doing good. Microsoft's lagging a little bit here, only up 1.3 versus Apple killing it at 4. I should have rolled more into Apple, I guess. I wonder when Apple's going to roll over my Microsoft position, which I got in earlier. Yeah, E-Trade's super slow too. There's just so many people in the markets right now. All right, what's killing it today, man? I got stuff moving. Apple, Microsoft, Planet are probably doing most of the work today. AITX, I'm up 77%. That's pretty good. And am I in TQs anymore? I think I'm out of TQs. Yeah, they're all pre-earnings. I don't know, man. I'm on the fence to hold or not. To be honest with you, I don't know who's got earnings first. Although most of these guys are out overnight, and it's what day is earnings? The 27th. So 2 more days, and then after hours, Apple could be up at 150 or so by then. That would be really nice. Then got to make a decision. Maybe I sell half. What do you think, Ellie? Sell half? If this thing moves up, Microsoft is 80% up, Apple 67% up. So I guess I could sell half by earnings. That would be the prudent thing to do. But this market is super bullish. Hey, what up, Nighthawk? That's the game, Ellie. Fat percentage. What are you up on Apple? You up 67? Dude, anything on Apple is good considering it's only up like 13%. So, or 10%. If you're up over 30%, you're killing it. You're killing it. So that's doing really good. All right, XPEV trying to come out of this low cup in the middle of the base there, GDLC. You're up 180? Ah, you're killing me. Excellent. What'd you get, like, when's your, yeah, see, my strike's in April. What's yours, in February or something? All right, Planetar with a second huge day. See how that's going to go out. Fubo, 13%. Genus, Myrna. Moderna coming back, vaccine maker. Can't imagine this is going to fall into the dirt. They're being supported by everybody right now. INSG, gone. GDLC, Beyond Meat. Looks like it's trying to make a comeback out of a... look at that on the weekly. Weekly, the biggest, ugliest cup and handle in the world. You got 145. Oh, you got 145s. I got April 125s. Yeah. So you're definitely YOLOing. Yeah, that's ballsy. I don't have that much balls. Yeah, I like to give it a little bit more wiggle room, which is why I guess I'm not like that Emmett Peppers dude. Mega millionaire at this stage. Come on, what? That dude killed it. Makes me look like a damn amateur. Yeah, each one of my tests, we've been over this. Each one of my Tesla legs, I screwed up in some way. Yeah, mainly with Tesla. He did it with Tesla, yeah. I screwed up each of my legs in some way that caused my profits to be reduced by at least a third, if not a half. I should be mid seven figures right now. Like five, I should be like 3 to 5 million right now. As Tesla goes. Boom, there you go. Get it while it's hot, guys. If you got cash, get it while it's hot. Because it's hot. Maybe I should go get it. I did put out an options trade earlier on Tesla. I laid it out 200% by March. That's going to be reduced right now. So it was 199. Now they're going to be about 176. So not too bad still. I guess I could parlay some of this into a Tesla trade. Probably would be wise to do. I get rid of Micron. I'm not mad at getting rid of Micron. Let's do that. Let's get rid of some Micron. Why is my entire computer slow? Fucking Windows, man. It's got to be Windows. Soxel. I can kill some Soxel. Get rid of some of the garbage in the account. I know. No, but it's just even the... Everything's freaking slow. Hate slow. Get rid of half my TQs, I guess, maybe. Planetar FUV. Pernigo's Burr. Yeah, pretty much, right? All right, let's do Tesla. Let's do the geez, I really don't have that much, do I? All right, so 13 I could do. I'll go lower so my break even is more normal. 884. Let's do 13.7. Let's do 850. I can go 305. Nah, I'll do March. 850. Should have done this earlier. Hey, what up, Frank? Big Apple move, big Tesla. Absolutely. Absolutely. Tesla's going to be gone here in a minute, guys. Vanguard app just crashed. Jeez. Yeah, Tesla's gone right now. Oh, Planetar coming down. Yeah, E-Trade slow, Ameritrade slow. I haven't really checked out Fidelity yet, but I can't imagine that's specifically fast. Rob, you're on Fidelity. How's that doing? Can't believe all these guys, man. Our Planetar coming down hard this morning. Fidelity's fixed, just generally. That's good. Fubo leading today now. Moderna. Good volume this morning. Looks like it may be gone. 3.52 for Apple, so it's come down a little bit. And Amazon, Microsoft is down the lower tier. Microsoft back down to 0.8% up. Taking profits on Planetar. I'm thinking about it too. It just came down significantly. Although volume isn't very heavy. All right, 1.2 for the NASDAQ. Oh yeah, I wonder if we are wish I had some more cashola. But hey, investments are performing. Can't argue too much. Can't complain too much. Wow, my TQs just overtook overtook my Microsoft in my account value by 20, was it, no, $33. It's 21.71% and 21.7%. And then Apple at 20%. That is pretty good allocation right there. AITX, I haven't looked at that one in a little bit. That looks pretty good. I'm not super mad at that, Rob. Take all the profits today. It's yeah, maybe, I don't know. I don't mind the way it looks. Look at the average volume on the daily time frame. It looks great. Justin, you're sticking with Tesla. You ain't taking any fucking profits. None. Don't be stupid like me. Nah, dude, Tesla chart is golden. Absolutely golden. Look at it and burn it into your memory. That chart is freaking. That chart is freaking money. This is not financial advice. You, dude, I don't have very much Tesla at all. Like seriously, at all. We're talking single digit percentages, which is sad. Nice, Justin. Yeah, just hold it, man. No issues on that one. This is starting to feel a little bit too much like 1999. I was loosely around in 1999. Um, we're not dead yet, but yeah, this loosely, especially loosely reminding me of 1999. I don't know what the end game is here for this particular market cycle, but it's a thing. 4% today. Nice, Mohammed. Good job. No, the Tesla chart's bueno. You mean 10 cents, Rob? You mean 10 cents because it was knocking at like 0.08. The chart looks fine for AITX in my opinion. I think AITX is fine. Like seriously, there's this stock looks beautiful. I mean, look at the lows on the chart. Just look at the lows. Forget the tops. Look at the lows. They're very well defined. There's support everywhere. I mean, it's very good. Yeah, I wish I had. How much is my AITX worth now? Like 120 bucks. I wish I had a lot more in it. It's behaving like one of my options, so I'm not mad at it. My Tesla options up 1.7%. I'm killing it. So things are looking good. Someone posted a video in Slack, and it actually was pretty decent. I usually don't go for some of these guys that some people post, but I wonder if it's on stocks or random. But this guy explained kind of about helicopter inflation, took a look at Venezuela and their stock market, took a look at a couple other stock market. He focused on Venezuela, but he mentioned the same thing happened to a couple other markets. I'm try to find here for you. It's not in stocks. It may be in random. But he talked about hyperinflation, and I mean, definitely could happen. I hope they're not as stupid here in the U.S. and they just get their head out of their ass. I mean, I'm enjoying the gains, but I don't enjoy my society getting fucked. There you go, Ellie. Boom. Me too, buddy. Good job. Yeah, I've officially got Ellie money now. Trying to keep it as the where's Planetar? Down to 7%. Jeez. Come on, Planetar. Oh, it's SI. SI gapped up, guys. How to land on SI? All right, Planetar. I may want to take my profits on you if you're going to be doing that. Yeah, why not? It's up, so I'm just going to bank them. It's probably a bad move. It's going to bounce right now. Chickened out a little bit on it, but that's okay. Going from 20% to 7%. Yeah, it'll probably keep going up, but I'm okay taking the profits. I could probably buy another Tesla. I'd probably buy another Tesla call right now. As Tesla's going for it. New all time highs on Tesla. Tesla right there. I can't buy one. Or maybe I can. 12K. I can't. Son of a bitch. You know what? Maybe I'll do a March 5th weekly. See if they'll let me do that. Even that's a little bit out of my price range. How's the bigger strike price getting more expensive? All right, back to my options calculator. Come on, man. Actually, I'll just go right here. We got 10-1. 135. 875. That is not updated. All right, done. Done. Deeper in Tesla again. A little bit more. There you go, Jared. It starts with paper, my friend. Yeah, don't. It's difficult. I mean, look, it starts with kind of understanding a strategy around your options, and at least in my opinion, some people just well, everyone's got a strategy, but yeah, paper trade, nothing wrong with that, man. Don't be mad at that. There's always other markets. There's always other opportunities. So yeah, good job. Congratulations on expanding your horizons. But be very careful, very cautious, because they can come and bite you in the ass pretty hard. And planning to right back up. What I say? All right, Apple 4% holding really nicely. How's Microsoft doing? Microsoft rolling over a little bit. Hey, Jared. Dude, there you go. No issue with that, buddy. Yeah, I see. I can't even. Hey, my Tesla option on my main account's actually up now. It was down forever. And it's only a 5% position, but I got in way early. All right, market NASDAQ up 1.35%. That's great for the NASDAQ. Tesla, new all time high, knocking at 9. I said 9 to 1,000. My model book has us going potentially to 1150. I think we're going to get there. 160 target on Apple, Frank. I think that's about. No, I think I'm a little above. I think I'm at above that actually. Let me see if I saved it. I need to figure out. I did not save my Apple trade, so yeah, I have no idea where the hell my target is on Apple. I gotta do a better job at saving these, um, tracking these. We gotta watch us in positions in the stock shed, but I don't use it. I don't use it as much as I should. I need additional context. Don't have that much time. Justin, no, I bought my house irrespective of my investments, and I've pretty much been trading in my Roth forever. So I haven't had that. Um, I haven't had that dilemma, Justin. But I mean, if I actually I did a calculation of paying off my house with money from my Roth IRA. Did some calculations on that. Wasn't very pretty with all of the. I'd have to basically withdraw like a third almost a third, a little over a third, which is too heavy for me. I don't want to pull out a third when I'm really performing. I should say when the market's performing very well. I don't want to pull out that much. So I'm just going to leave it as it is. I mean, our mortgage payment's manageable. But I mean, I do think it's pretty important, especially if you're going to buy a house and live there and know you're going to live there in that house, to have, I mean, ideally paid off as fast as possible. Now, I don't know where you live, Justin, but let's say you got a $500,000 house, and if you've got $1 million account, do you pay cash? I think that's a bit of a tough decision because you could make 50% faster than you can make 100%. But I mean, I don't mind pulling out maybe 10 to 15% of my account for any purchase. So I mean, I could see if if you do have $1 million account, if you want to take out like 10%, I mean almost anything, no matter what your account size, taking out 10%, maybe up to 20%, keeping tax implications in mind if it's in a retirement account, if you're performing that well. Um, yeah, I wouldn't mind pulling 10% out, but I wouldn't pull 50% out. I don't even want to pull 30% out. All right, 8:02. I'm going to get going pretty soon here, guys. Fubo leading us right now. iRobot, geez, iRobot gone, guys. 15%. They're getting eaten up this morning. That is a good move for iRobot. They could be up in the. They look really good. Planetar back up. Told you once they sold it, they were going to go. Genus, INSG gone too. And SI looking excellent. See, I didn't even get on my SI trade yesterday too, which was a really good trade. It's 347% going to 80, or no, going to whatever it was, going to 160 by May. See, that's still that's a decent trade. 283, not good as 347. AMC, mean down 24. Well, non-option or it doesn't matter, Rob. It's the same target. I don't. I don't know. I think this thing doubles. I think this thing goes to 160. That was my target. 160 on SI. The volume that's stepping into this thing, ridiculous. Absolutely ridiculous. And such a small base formed. I'm not even sure if on the weekly it's even considered a base. Almost it could be. Not a 3 weeks tight, but nice consolidation. Excellent volume. They're just leaning into this thing left and right. And again, I have no cash to deal with it. Probably should about SI over Tesla, but Tesla seems like. I mean, SI looks like a good bet too. I do have a little bit. I could get a little bit. I can do the May. Damn, if you go to March 19th for it to get to 160, which I'm not sure if it's going to do that, that's a little bit too soon. That's like 600%. That's crazy. Even August aren't looking too bad at 180%. That's not bad. All right, Tesla knocked at 900. Microsoft, I don't, we're before earnings, Frank, on most of these big caps. Apple's already broken out, so that's a little bit different, but um, not really. I mean, it's still a couple days before earnings. Everything's risky before earnings. I guess the thing to see is how stocks are going to react to earnings today. If they don't react favorably, then you may see a lot of names sell off tomorrow. Because if they're not going to react favorably to earnings, then There's just too much risk on the table for a lot of people, um, and they're likely gonna reduce position size in lieu of additional earnings. So earnings starts this week. I'm not sure who's on tap actually. But 8:06, I gotta get rocking. All right. See, even my internet's slow. Jeez. Come on, internet. I gotta restart my computer. This is a. I don't know. I need someone that's like really good with PCs because my shit is just slow. Memory's at 70%. CPU's at 23. It's pretty high for CPU usage. I did get a mouse, Frank. Yeah, I got a Viper or Razer. I'm sorry, Razer Basilisk V2 corded because I hate batteries. I hate wasting batteries. Twitter will not load for me. I gotta restart my computer. There's too much shit going on. Yeah, right, Ellie. I mean, I'm not opposed to that. The problem is I don't know if all my stuff will. I don't know if Thinkorswim works on Mac. I don't know. Yeah, it looks like it. LibreOffice, but I don't need that with Mac, do I? I don't need LibreOffice with Mac. They've got their own thing. Firefox, Slack has an app for that. Um, Photoshop is on. Yeah, I don't know, but I'm using. These are my statistics right now on my. So I've got a ton of memory, like 11 gigs being used right now just by Firefox, and Thinkorswim is killing it right now. Wow, that is a ton. And then I've got that's the main thing that's killing me. It's funny to see your mouse software in the top 10. Plug power. Plug power is like watching one of your old girlfriends get super rich for me because I used to have a good amount of plug power back in the day before Elon made it cool. Mouse software? Oh, it's just a. I was trying to get some macros on the mouse, like the screenshot button, but I apparently can't do that with this stupid Razer software. So I don't know. I may return the Razer and just buy another Logitech and return the old one until that one dies and do it again. Thanks, Amazon. So I don't know. Yeah. All right, guys, I got to bounce. You guys have a good day. Stay safe out there, and I will be back tomorrow. So will you.